Hey guys, I took a week off because Ohio had a couple of days of really hot weather. So it was like in the 90s, so it just wasn't safe for me to be outside and doing this. And plus I had a huge work project that was due and I just finished it today. So I took a week and a day off. So because of that, I did stretch before I started this, but I'm on week 3, run 3. And again, you walk in the beginning 5 minutes briskly, then you run slow for a minute and walk for 2 minutes for the duration of this interval program. It can be, I think, between 25 to 32 minutes. But yeah, I'm glad to be back at it. Let's get this going. So we're on run 1. I believe there's 7 runs in this interval. I only took a week off, but I feel like I haven't been doing this for a minute. I am working on my stride and my pace. So I know it's slow run, but I'm not sprinting or anything like that. But I'm not doing like a slow walk type of situation. Picking up the pace where it's still conversational, but I don't know, I want to beat my time. Let's see how it goes. Run 2. I have my sighted guy here, very familiar with this trail, very well paved, so I have no worries, didn't bring my cane. So yeah, run 2. Run 3, and correction, it's actually 9 intervals during week 3. But yeah, I have a little tightness in my calves, but I'm pushing through. It's more mental than physical. I think it's probably equal, mentally and physical. I'm gonna push through it. It'll be fine. 5. So this is run 8. I only have 1 more to go. So all the other run intervals, I've been keeping the same like pace. This one, I'm going to walk pace because on the last interval, the 9th one, I want to go as fast as I can for a minute. See how that works. So yeah, almost done. Okay, the last lap, the last run interval, number 9. I'm running as fast as I can. One of my favorite movies from Disney is The Incredibles. So the mom Helen, when she tells Dash, run as fast as you can. That's what I'm doing. Let's get it. Let's finish this off with a bang. I finished. Oh wow, that was invigorating. So after running my fastest for the last run interval, the achiness to my calf has subsided, but I still feel it. I can't talk. But yeah, let's see if I beat my fastest time yet. Let's check out those stats, baby. Okay guys, week 4, run 1 is the same program as last week, which is pretty cool. So got a new workout outfit on this week. So yeah, I don't think there's any difference. I'm not sure how many run intervals are in this particular routine, but if there's different, like the last week I think it was 9. So if it's more run intervals, I definitely will let you guys know. So run 1, I'm gonna run slow. The first one I'm gonna run slow, then I'm gonna walk 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna pick up the pace. And I just don't have the energy today. But it's beautiful outside. It definitely feels like fall. You can hear that wind. So this is the walk interval. But I'm gonna do a really slow run walk for this instead, just to mix it up a little bit. See if I can run longer than just a minute. So yeah, it's okay to modify and make programs work for how you want to work, I think I have a little bit more stamina to keep running more than a minute. So I'll see. So run 2. So this is actually the run part of it for a minute. So I'm gonna pick up my pace. And this one actually has less intervals. It has 7 instead of 9. So cool. Should be done quicker. So I've ran 3 minutes straight so far. This is gonna be my 4th. Let's see how it works out. Okay, technically run 3, picking up my pace. So far I've run the whole thing with the exception of the first 5-minute brisk walk. So I feel good. My legs, I can feel are warming up. The pain that was in my calves are turning into like, I don't know, energy. It doesn't hurt. So during the run intervals, I increase my speed, and during the walk intervals, I do a very slow run walk. I still have a conversational tone even during the run that I'm doing faster. I feel good. Okay, run 4, feeling good. I feel like if you're not listening to music or have headphones on, the best way to make your run go by fast is to dissociate. So that's what I'm doing. My mind is kind of floating out into the ether. Still haven't stopped to walk. Still running. This is awesome. Okay, run 5. Still been running. Haven't stopped to walk yet. But now I'm picking up my pace. So yeah, this is my outfit for this week. Very cute. Glad I got the long sleeves for the cooler weather. But the weather in Ohio is like freaking crazy right now. This weekend it's supposed to be in the mid and upper 90s. So let me enjoy the cool weather now while I got it. I'm going to show you during the walk portion. This is my slow walk. Might as well be walking, but I'm just making my feet move up faster. So yeah. Run 6. Got 1 more to go. Come on, Melissa. We can do this. Let's go. Let's go. So this is the last walk interval. I ran the whole freaking thing. Like I said, besides the 5-minute warm up that you're supposed to walk briskly. But I ran the whole thing. I just decided to walk the last walk interval. And then on my 7th run interval, I'm gonna run as fast as I can. So let's see if I have any gas left in my tank. Okay, the last run interval. I'm gonna run my hardest and let's see how I do. Let's push through. So I finished it. Let's check out the stats for today. Just interested to see how I did mixing it up. Alright guys, week 4, run 2, and there are some differences. You're running a little bit more. So last week you ran for 60 seconds. This week you're running for 90 seconds and walking 2 minutes in between. I'm doing the beginning of the 5-minute brisk walk, and then we'll get into it. Okay, first run. In this week 4, there's 7 run intervals. So, first one down, or first one started. Run 2. Hi, Rara. Hi, baby. On my walk portion, today is a rough day. I have my sighted guy behind me, jam into his music. Roxy's here. Run 4. Like I was saying, this run is a little bit harder, but I'm pushing through. Now I understand what they mean about mental toughness, because you definitely have to mind over matter, because I'm determined. I saw, even though I'm not in the 5K training thing yet, I saw something on Facebook for like around Halloween of a 5K on the 28th of October. And I really so much would like to do that. So, I don't know. I haven't signed up for it yet. We'll see.
5 seconds remaining. Slow down and walk for 2 minutes.
Okay, last lap, and I made it. I pushed it through. This was not the easiest run. Man, I have to go pee. But it wasn't the easiest run at all. But just got this last lap to do, and let's see how my stats are. So hey guys, I'm going in a new area, so I have my white cane and a sighted guide, but it's the last run for week 4. Let's get into it. So we're doing our brisk walk. It's not going to be as fast because I don't have this area down packed like the other trails, but it's really well paved, and my cane got me. So let's get it going. And I just want to show you this area, how well paved it is. This is our downtown. So yeah. It's run 1, 90 seconds. Because I don't know where I'm at, I am going to run slow. Waited until like 6:30ish to run because this is we have one more hot day tomorrow, and then after that it's going to be in the 70s. Okay, run 2. This is my outfit for today. A royal blue athletic skirt that's short underneath, and my Powerpuff Girls t-shirt. Run 3 on a hill. My pace is going to be really slow on this run because, like I said, I don't know this trail very well, so I'm just being very careful, trying to mental map it. Okay. I don't know what run this is. My watch is talking to me, but I didn't hear. I think I'm still early in the routine, in the regimen. But yeah, my glasses are special. They're neural lenses, and neural lenses is a special prism that helps maximize peripheral vision, which is ideal for me because that's all I have left is my peripheral vision. I have no central vision. So I have all the things, since I don't know this trail very well. I have my cane, I have my neural lenses, glasses, and I have my sighted guide. And I'm taking my time, you know? It's not about pace, it's just about doing it. And this trail is really hilly. Yeah, I don't know, I just felt the breeziness from this side. And thank God for the peripheral vision because, yeah, that's dangerous. But this is a really pretty trail. Definitely gonna come back. I am on run 5. Go, King, go. But I'm on run 5. And I decided, even though I haven't finished my 3K training with the None to Run, still in the beginner portion of the app, I did sign up for 2 5Ks. And I really would love to run all of it without stopping and walking. One in October and another one in November. And then train all through the winter. And then it will be my goal in 2024 to try to run a 5K once a month. Oh no. My shoelaces are untied. What do you do in a situation? Okay, run 6. I got one more to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I don't even want to know my pace on this run. I had to stop a couple of times to reorient myself. You know, it's a good thing to do not to always go on a trail that you know, because when you sign up for marathon runs, not marathon, but 5Ks, you don't know the route. They give you a map, but it's not something you run in before. So it's teaching me the art of slow running and just being careful and mindful. So that's what I'm doing. I came out and I did it. But my pace is going to be shit. Okay, my last run. If you notice, usually you're supposed to go with each foot cadence with your cane. But because I'm running, I have to kind of modify it for this type of event. White canes are not used to run with, it's to walk with. But I'm going to be an innovator and use my white cane for what I need it to do if I want to be active. So when I run, I don't go double time and fast. I just slow down, like by 2 beats. I don't know if you understand. Let me show you. See how fast my feet are going? But my cane, I'm doing 2 beats behind. Because to do this, it's asinine. I'll wear down my tip. It may cause injury to my shoulder and arm. I don't know. This just works better in this type of activity. It still keeps me safe. So I finished all 7 run intervals, 90 seconds each, with 2 minutes walking in between. The last walk is only for 30 seconds. Let's see what my stats are, my metrics.